few face security checks on Facebook and need to restore full access to your account. Follow these steps to navigate the process effectively. Step 1. Verify your identity. Start by logging into your Facebook account. If prompted, follow the instructions to verify your identity. This may involve answering security questions or confirming your identity through a linked email or phone number. Step 2. Check your email. Look for any emails from Facebook regarding your account status. These emails may contain important instructions or links to help you gain access. Follow any provided steps carefully. Step 3. Use trusted contacts. If you set up trusted contacts previously, you can use this feature to regain access. Go to the login page, click on Need Help, and then select Get Help from Friends. Follow the prompts to contact your trusted contacts for assistance. Step 4. Submit an appeal. If you believe your account was mistakenly locked, you can submit an appeal. Go to the Help Center, find the section for account recovery, and fill out the appeal form with the necessary details to explain your situation. Step 5. Follow up. After submitting your appeal or completing the verification process, keep an eye on your email for updates from Facebook. Be patient, as it may take some time for them to review your case and respond. By following these steps, you should be able to restore full access to your Facebook account. If issues persist, consider reaching out to Facebook support for further assistance.